Operations on rational numbers. Ordinal relationship between two rational numbers. Representation of rational numbers on number line. Rational number in standard form. The ordinal relationship between rational numbers. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. Decimal form of a rational number. Representation of rational number on number line. We can represent natural numbers, whole numbers and integers easily on number line. Same way, we can represent rational numbers too. Suppose we have to represent 3 by 5 on number line. As this rational number is less than 1, it will be between 0 and 1. Denominator 5 means distance between 0 and 1 equally divided into 5 parts, and numerator 3 means how many parts to be considered of 5. Any rational number can be represented on the number line in this way. Minus 7 by 4 can be represented as shown. Make 4 equal parts of distance 0 to minus 1 and minus 1 to minus 2. Count 7 parts from 0. We get minus 7 by 4 on this position. Rational number in standard form. Sarita wrote a rational number minus 3 by 2. Is it a standard form of rational number? Yes, it is. A rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and the denominator have no common factor other than 1. We can reduce any rational number into its standard form if it is reducible. Suppose Dinesh wrote a rational number 36 by minus 24. Now it is not in the standard form. To reduce it into a standard form, we need to know the highest common factor of 36 and 24. The HCF of 36 and 24 is 12. As the denominator of a given rational number is negative, we take negative HCF and divide numerator and denominator by it. We get minus 3 by 2, a standard form of 36 by minus 24. The ordinal relationship between rational numbers. These are some of the simple methods to find ordinal relationship among two rational numbers. First, if numerators of a given rational numbers are same, the rational number having the greater denominator is a smaller rational number among them. Second, if denominators of a given rational numbers are the same, the rational numbers having greater numerators is a greater rational number among them. Third, if numerators or denominators of given rational numbers are not same, perform cross multiplication. First numerator into second denominator and second numerator into first denominator. The rational number from a greater product side is greater. We can use the following rules to compare two rational numbers. If A into D is smaller than B into C, then A by B is smaller than C by D. If A into D is equal to B into C, then A by B is equal to C by D. If A into D is greater than B into C, then A by B is greater than C by D. Dear students, do you know? If we represent two rational numbers on number line, the left side rational number is always smaller and the right side rational number is always rational numbers between two rational numbers. Dinesh wrote two rational numbers, minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. Now he asked Sarita to find out the rational numbers between these two. Sarita first converted both rational numbers into the rational numbers of the same denominators. She converted minus 3 by 5 to minus 9 by 15 and minus 1 by 3 to minus 5 by 15. Now she can write the rational numbers between minus 9 by 15 and minus 5 by 15. While writing rational numbers, she simply wrote the numbers from minus 9 to minus 5 in the numerator and kept denominator same. These rational numbers are the rational numbers between minus 9 by 15 and minus 5 by 15, as well as the rational numbers between minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. There are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Decimal form of a rational number. How can we write 2 by 3 in decimal form? Hey, it's very simple. Divide 2 by numerator and 3 by simple division method. Now dividend 2 is smaller than divisor 3. Therefore write 0 in quotient. 3 into 0 is 0. Subtract 0 from 2. We get balance 2. Write 0 after the balance 2 and place a decimal point into quotient after 0. Now 20 is a dividend. 3 6 are 18. Write 6 in quotient after decimal point and subtract 18 from 20. The remainder is 2. Again, write 0 after 2. Dividend becomes 20. Again, 3 6s are 18. Write 6 in quotient and subtract 18 from 20. If we proceed further, we get same results. Therefore, decimal form of 2 by 3 is 0.666. Summary. Representation of rational number on number line. Rational number in standard form. The ordinal relationship between rational numbers. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. Decimal form of a rational number. So, that is all in this lesson, students. Dear students, it is a fun to learn maths, so keep learning.